Umengameli ulindeleke ukuthi akhulume khulu ngokuthuthukisa indaba yokuhlumisa umnotho wenarha nokuthuthukisa amahlelo zokuhlumisa umnotho. Kulindeleke ukuthi umnotho wanonyaka nje ungakhulu ukudlula ku2%. Amabhizinisi nawo ayobogaboga okuthi ukuthi indaba yokuvuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi ayithembisi. Inkulumo kaMengameli yanonyaka nje kufuze itshengise ukubekelela phambili imithetho kunye nokuphungula ukubhadela kakhulu.
The State of the Nation address is that it is supposed to give an indication of what the state of South Africa is, and there's particular focus on the economy in terms of having a look at what has been implemented from economic reforms and whether any of the economic reforms will drive stronger and faster economic growth.
Gandhi kuqalwe nemali zombuso ezithwele nzima nokwanda komtlhago. Izinga lokuphila lenyukile kanti nabantu abanengi basizwa imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende ukuraga nempilo ebizako le ekungikho ekwenza ukuthi balindele ukuthi umengameli angezelele imali yesibonelelo sabantu abangasebenziko.
The Black Search has been advocating that President Cyril Ramaphosa should announce at SONA that the 350 Rand grant is extended and increased to at least the food poverty line, which is currently at 624 Rand.
Indaba ye-60% yelutsha lanarha le ngasebenziko nayo kuqalwe bona ikhulunyiswe khulu. Esinye isazi sithi kufuze kuqalwe indaba yokuhlomisa ilutsha ngamakghonofundwa azobasiza ukuthi bafumane imisebenzi.
There are a lot of educational initiatives from high school to after school programs, learnerships, tertiary education, internships, and yet the current job market as it is requiring a level of professional maturity and experience that our young people don't have.
Ulindele ukuthi umengameli akhulume nangamahlelo wokuraga nokulwisana nengogwane ngimabhubhisa iCovid-19.
Esinginisele Limpopo ivembe nakhona bamlinde ngesibibithwana umengameli. Indlela zakhona azikhambeki zahuhulwa lizulu. Indlela i-D4 yakhiwa ngo2007 ukusuka eMayili ukuya eMalamlele kanti ingcenye yayo ema-kilometer likhulu yalungiswa ngo2017. Ingcenye esuka eMayili echinge eMalamlele le izingikhisikhisi ngama-potholes. Abantu abaningi nkoloyi bathi indlela ekwakufuzile ethi ubungcono empilweni nabo le seyiphenduka ethunzi lokufa.
This road is a nightmare. Imagine that as taxi drivers who use this every day, the potholes are now part of us. They are killing our vehicles. We are always fixing them. Remember, ambulances transporting patients to Polokwane use this road. The last time out, an ambulance stalled due to a tire burst. It is horrible.
uBennett Manyathela weziko lezendlela eLimpopo uthi bayazi ngomraro lo. Uthi kune contract eseyithomile ukusebenza ngehlangothini elihlangana kweMalamlele neVuwani. Omunye so contractor uqashwe bona alungisa indlela le ema-kilometer 13.